Welcome back. Today, we're going to be covering a couple advanced features within the Workflow Secret dashboards. If you made it through all of the other tutorials and you found yourself here, but you don't yet have access, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to ensure that you have full access to this section. If you do have access, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in together. Now that we have full editing access in our Workflow Secret dashboards, let's take a look at the Share drop-down menu. Before we get started though, I would encourage you to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. So it's prudent that you understand how each of these features can affect your dashboard so that you don't air out your dashboard when critical data is needed the most. To access our shared dashboard option, all we need to do is navigate to the top right-hand side, clicking on that share and using the drop-down icon to locate all of the different options. Let's take a look at the Embed Report feature. This feature might not be as commonly used. However, if you're looking to embed one of your dashboards on a website, this gives you the ability to grab the code so that you're able to showcase any of these dashboards as desired. From the Embed Report, you have access to embed code or an embed URL, as well as within the embed code, the width and height that you would like to embed. From here, you can either copy it or copy to dashboard by clicking the blue copy to clipboard and using that within your website. We hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. If you have any questions at all, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to help get you squared away. But we will see you very shortly.